Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to log out from App Store. Let's begin. So it's pretty easy when logging out from App Store. I think, someone may ask, why there's a need for you to sign out or, say, for example, you just really don't want to access your App Store, checking on the newly downloaded apps. Or if you don't want, your kids to look at the apps that you've installed or you downloaded, so, you have the option to sign out. Or maybe someone would want to sign out sorry, to log in rather using a different app store account. So, there's so many reasons why you would need to sign out. So, how or log off rather. So, how do we do that? So, first, you just need to tap on App Store app, okay? Once you're here, so if you notice guys, if you go today, it would give you like, what are the top apps that's recommended based on your usage or, depends on your searches or let's say like favorites of, based on like what is the most download apps, and then you have games, you have apps. So at the bottom, this is where you can sit and search. Now sometimes this is always disregarded. If you look at the human or the person logo that's blue with circle at the upper right of the screen, so that's pretty much your account profile guys. Okay, so once you have that, when you tap on that one or click, okay, so all you need to do is just scroll down all the way to the most bottom part of the account or of the page, because it will show you here all of the apps that you have installed or downloaded. Once you're here, you could see sign out in blue font, right? Just tap on that one and then you're already considered log off from the App Store. Okay? So, see? Once you're log off, you need to sign in again using your Apple ID and password. So there, I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.